Hi, I'm Shelley Fishel from Tomorrow's VA, and in this tip I'm going to be showing you how to insert and align shapes on a slide in PowerPoint. So here I am in a blank slide just with a placeholder, and on the insert ribbon I'm going to come to shapes, choose my shape. I like the rounded rectangle, and I'm going to create it. I'm then going to go and I'm going to do the same thing again, this time also another one, and I'm going to pop it there, and again I'm going to come and do the same thing. Now you may know there are lots of other ways of doing this, but really the purpose of this tip is to show you how to align them. So here are my 3 tips, and they're kind of I've popped them now all over the place. They're not lined up. So let's say I want to align the top edges. First I'll click on the first one, hold down the shift key, click on the second one and the third one. Now they're all selected. On the Drawing Tools Format ribbon, over here in the Arrange group, I have the Align option, and I'm going to align them to the top. That will align all of them as exactly the same top level. I can align them left, and then they kind of all sit on each other, so let's undo that. I can align them to the bottom of it, but in this case they're all going to line up the same. So they're all selected, so let's move that one here and here and here, and now let's see what align left and align right do. So again, selecting them all, align left lines them all up to the left edge, align right will line them all up on the right hand side, and align center will align them along a midpoint. So you can see that you've got lots of options. Now I just want to talk about one other option while we're talking about alignment here, and that's distribution. Sometimes you want to distribute the shapes evenly across the slide or inside a placeholder. So again, if I select all of my shapes, come to the Align button, I've got distribute horizontally and distribute vertically. So in this case I want to distribute them horizontally. Notice that Align Selected Objects is ticked, and that's important because what that means is it's going to distribute them equally between the leftmost margin and the rightmost margin of the shapes. So if I choose distribute horizontally, all that happened was it actually moved the middle one a little bit. Now if I come back and choose Align to Slide and come back and choose my shapes and choose Align to Slide and distribute horizontally, they actually move within the slide. So I can either distribute them between the leftmost shape and the rightmost shape, or from the left margin to the right margin of the slide, and it will depend on what you're doing as to which option you'll choose. To find out more about using Microsoft Office as a VA in your business, or in fact in any business, head over to www.tomorrowsva.com, where you'll find much more information, and you'll also be able to subscribe to some tip sheets for PowerPoint and other packages. See you there!